Did you know that the secret to halting aging might already be within our grasp? Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of longevity. Longevity, fundamentally, is about extending our healthy lifespans, allowing us to enjoy life's experiences for longer. But why is it important? Well, as we age, our bodies naturally wear down and become more susceptible to a range of health issues. By understanding this process, we might be able to slow it down or even reverse it. Many of us have common misconceptions about aging, often viewing it as an inevitable, unstoppable force. But what if that's not entirely true? What if we could exploit the very mechanisms that drive aging to our advantage? Imagine the possibilities. As we delve deeper into the science of aging, you'll discover that stopping the clock might not be as impossible as it seems. There are a few key mechanisms that drive the aging process. Let's unravel them one by one. Imagine your DNA as a shoelace. The plastic tips at the end, those are like your telomeres, protective caps on our chromosomes. Each time a cell divides, these telomeres shorten a smidge. Eventually, they become so short that the cell can no longer divide, leading to cell aging and death. This is the concept of telomere shortening. Next, let's talk about oxidative stress. Picture yourself running a marathon. You're panting, sweating, your muscles are burning. This is a bit what happens to your cells when they're under oxidative stress. Free radicals, unstable molecules can cause damage to cell components, accelerating the aging process, much like running a marathon without training can damage your body. Now on to senescent cells. These are the old cells that no longer divide, but they're not harmless. They can release inflammatory factors, which are like bad neighbors playing loud music all night, disturbing the peace and potentially harming neighboring cells. So we've got telomere shortening, oxidative stress, and senescent cells. These are the main culprits behind aging, but don't fret because scientists are hard at work trying to understand and combat these processes. Researchers are looking into how our genetic makeup influences lifespan and how changes to our epigenome, the set of chemical compounds that tell our genome what to do, can slow aging. They're studying senolytics, drugs designed to selectively eliminate those bothersome senescent cells. And they're exploring how modifying our diet, reducing our calorie intake, or mimicking the effects of fasting can help extend our lifespan. There's also promising research into NAD+ boosters, supplements that could help maintain cellular health and combat aging. NAD+ is a crucial molecule in our cells, but its levels decline as we age. Boosting NAD+ levels could potentially slow down the aging process. Now that you understand the basic mechanisms of aging, let's look at the cutting-edge research that's trying to turn back the clock. Scientists are making incredible strides in understanding how we can potentially slow down, halt, or even reverse aging. A fascinating area of study is the role of genetic and epigenetic factors. Researchers are delving into how our genes influence lifespan and how modifications to our epigenetic markers, chemical changes that alter gene expression without changing the DNA sequence, could slow aging. In animal studies, tweaking certain genes has even extended lifespan, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Then there's the exciting world of senolytics, drugs designed to selectively eliminate senescent cells, those aging cells we talked about earlier that can wreak havoc on their neighbors. Recent studies show these drugs have the potential to not only extend our health span, the period of life spent in good health, but also reduce age-related diseases. It's like taking out the trash at a cellular level. Next up, caloric restriction and diet mimicking. Caloric restriction, eating fewer calories without malnutrition, has been shown to extend lifespan in various organisms, from yeast to monkeys. But let's be honest, who wants to live life always feeling a bit hungry? That's where diet mimicking comes in. Research is showing that periodic fasting or following a diet that mimics the effects of fasting could offer similar benefits without the constant hunger. Lastly, let's talk about NAD+ boosters. NAD+ is a molecule that plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular health, and its levels decline as we age. Supplements like NMN, short for nicotinamide mononucleotide, are being studied for their potential to boost NAD+ levels and combat aging. Imagine a future where we could take a daily supplement to help keep our cells youthful. The science is promising, but what can we do right now to optimize for longevity? While we wait for science to unlock the secrets of the fountain of youth, there are many things we can do today to set ourselves up for a longer, healthier life. First and foremost, a balanced diet is key. A plant-rich diet, abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, can provide the nutrients our bodies need to thrive. Consider incorporating practices like intermittent fasting or reducing sugar intake. Think about the Mediterranean diet, which aligns closely with longevity research findings as it emphasizes fruits, vegetables, fish, and olive oil. Regular exercise is another crucial component. Cardiovascular workouts strengthen our hearts, while strength training preserves muscle mass and bone density. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can be particularly beneficial. It's a form of exercise that alternates between short bursts of intense activity and periods of less intense activity or rest. Next, let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is vital for cellular repair and longevity. Improving sleep hygiene can be as simple as reducing blue light exposure before bed, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, or creating a tranquil sleep environment. Stress management is another area we can't ignore. Chronic stress accelerates aging, but methods like mindfulness meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help us manage it more effectively. Even a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a significant difference. Finally, never underestimate the power of community and social connections. Research shows that strong social bonds and a sense of community can significantly impact longevity. So, nurture your relationships, engage in social activities, and foster a sense of belonging. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can take control of your health and potentially add years to your life. The science of aging is a fascinating field that's rapidly evolving. We've journeyed through the mechanisms of aging, from telomere shortening to oxidative stress and senescent cells. We've explored the current research frontiers, delving into genetic and epigenetic factors, senolytics, diet mimicking, and NAD+ boosters, all promising avenues to extend health span. And of course, we've highlighted the crucial role of lifestyle changes: a plant-rich diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and nurturing social connections. The science of longevity is not just about adding years to life, but also life to years. The potential for scientific breakthroughs in the future is immense, but let's not forget that the journey to a longer, healthier life starts today with the choices we make. So make the choice to live well today, and who knows what tomorrow will bring. Remember, the journey to a longer, healthier life starts with you. Make the choice to live well today, and who knows what tomorrow will bring.